lesson about using Flutter, and especially with either VS Code or a tool like VS Code, like Cursor. So here I have a project that I had built where it has a lot of different screens and a lot of different variables and objects across many files. And sometimes you're not exactly
Or
sure
in
where
other
something
times,
is located,
so
or
that's
you
one
want
way
to
is
see
right
how
highlighting the
a
variable,
variable
right
gets used.
clicking, and again
So
clicking on
let
find
me
all
show you
references.
how, for
That's one
example,
way to be
if
able to
I open up
find
any
where it
file
is
and then I
defined and
see a
then where it gets
variable like
used.
this,
Another
and I
useful
want to
thing
see
that
does
is
is
very
there any other
helpful.
code
Let's say that
that
it's not a
directly
variable, but it's
uses
a
this
string. So
variable.
let's say
So you
this
can
variable, I mean, this
double click
string
on it and
is
right click
set here. So if
and then
I
use
on the
this
Mac,
choice
I
here,
use
find
Command
all
Shift F.
references.
That
And then
that basically
here
opens up
it will
that
show
panel and it
you
uses whatever
all the
selected
places
and
where
puts it
this
in here.
variable gets
Now, if
is
I
either defined
hit
or it
enter,
is being
it's actually
used.
going to show me where this string is used within the project. So that is a useful thing to see, to know not necessarily where a variable is defined, but where a string is used. So let's say another one you could say is maybe, okay, so I entered my API
just
key here, and because I didn't want to share it, I kept
API
it hidden, and since
and I
this is
hit
too generic.
save, or maybe I'll
So
say
now this UI
um,
comes up and it's just
maps
showing all
P,
the
just
major cities across the
maps
world.
API,
Okay, you can pick a major
or
city. Let's
maybe I'll
say
say
Russia. And you could say, okay, I
bias.
want to search
And
for
then you can see
something,
all the places
let's say 50
where that
kilometers,
word is
or yeah, let's try 50
defined
kilometers, which is
and
the
used
maximum
within the
distance
project.
that this API
And when you run this
supports.
project,
So
this is
let's say
actually
50
using the Google
kilometers
Places
from here.
API,
And then
and
there's
it
two
uses
choices. There's
this particular
bias and then
API,
there's
and it's going to
restriction.
get.
So
I'm just going to
restriction
demonstrate
says
that.
that when it gets used in this
Search for things
project,
that are
that it
strictly
kind of has a
within
very
50
peculiar
kilometers
behavior from the
So if I
center
say
of Moscow. So I'm going to
run.debugging
put something like,
and
so if I run it here,
Kremlin.
and I'm going to show it in the Android simulator here, and that should appear in